Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS 26 stuck at update requested. If you are using any iPhone or iPad in iOS 26 and you're trying to update your software, but you're having the issue that your update has been stuck on the update requested, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, you have to double check your network connection because these type issues might help with a poor and an unstable network connection. So you have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. And once you have done, you have to go back, then open the settings app, and from here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that you just have to go back and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage to download and install your software update. You have to keep in mind that you have 5 GB more than your software update. So for example, if you have a software update of 15 GB, so you have almost 20 to 25 GB free here. So after that, you can easily download and install software update. So once you have checked your iPhone storage but you're still having the same issue, so there's a second way. You can make a reset with your network settings. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Here enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings including your Wi-Fi, cellular data, your hotspot, your Bluetooth, and also all of your network settings. So if there will be any issue with your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you can recheck your software update if the issue has been solved or not, or you can wait for almost 5 to 10 minutes. Or after 5 to 10 minutes, if you're still having the same issue, so you can make a hard reset to your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes to black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes to black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and then go for iPhone settings here and then go for general here, go for software update, and you have to recheck for your software updates, or if you find the pending updates, you have to try to restart your software updates. And after that, very first, you have to again double check your network connection if your network is working well or not, or if you have to make your network stable first, and after that, you can easily make a software update without any issue like that. So, in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.